Page 18, Hungarian Rhapsody No. 2. This is just a couple themes from that. The actual Rhapsody is a great big long thing and a hard thing to play. But you go listen to recordings of that and you'll hear these themes in it. It's really kind of nice. Talk about a few minor little things, but for the most part we play it just like it is. It's fun. Watch the staccatos, because they are important right there at the beginning. The eighth note, the pickup note, that's not staccato, but those two quarter notes are. And the accent. So it's that type of bum 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 type thing you want to hear. That's not where the natural accents go, but it's a neat thing that Liszt has done here. When you get down to the third line on page 18, you'll see the note there at the end of the line a little faster. So you just speed it up a little bit. So we're going to start this fairly slowly. Well, when we play it together, we're going to do the whole thing slow. But when you perform it, you start it slowly. So just take your time. In a hurry, and then when you get down to a little faster in the third line, just speed it up just a little bit. And the left hand you can do staccato or just disconnect them. It's up to you. You decide what you like. Then whenever you get over to page 19 at the end of the first line, there is a poco retard. Retardando means slow down, poco means a little. So we're just going to go. You kind of linger on that note. It's not a fermata. You just linger on it a little bit, and then you're back to slow. And then gradually faster and faster to the end. And this is the trick. People will get too fast too soon, and then they're not done yet, but they can't increase their speed yet because they've already passed their speed limit a long time ago. So pace yourself on this. Each line could be just a little bit faster, and then when you get down to the end, the last few measures, then just let her rip. Have fun with it. So you're starting slow. Then you let it have it. Save most of your speeding up for the end. And you caught that at the end, the AVA, and that right hand is just, okay, you got all that. Let's try this together really, really slow with the metronome, which means we got to go to the same speed. But all we're doing is checking the notes and the rhythms. You add the dynamics and the articulation and all that stuff, and the speeding up and all that, you do that. Yeah. If you want me to hear it, record a video and put it up on YouTube and show me the link and I'll go listen to it. Right hand here, left hand here, no pedal. I'll give you, well, you come in on the end of 4, so it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and go.